All right, so we're doing some fun and exciting things today. We are going to a Baler parade. Got the Baler all shined up, finished straw with 1,377 bales. I didn't get any of the big day because we were busy. So, well, anyway, Medina, Ohio, Baler parade tonight. There are 29 Balers showing up. So we got our two cleaned up and looking good. Let's see what this is about. Oh, we made it.
So we have a gift certificate and a bouquet of fresh hay for our first runner-up. And our first runner-up is Cynthia Berry from Homer Township. Yeah, so you can get the hay. And for our queen, we have a gift certificate and a tiara and a sash. A gift certificate is for dinner for two at Farmer's Table. And our queen is from Litchfield Township, and it is Betty Akers.
And of course this one. So what this is the Medina County Antique Power Association. 1954 Medina Farmers Exchange had a Baler parade because they sold the most amount of New Holland balers, I guess, that they ever sold. So they decided to have a parade. This is the recreation of it. So then there's the power show after this. I'll line up at the fairgrounds for the power show. goes on this weekend. Gonna have to shine the rest of the tractors up like this. And equipment. Here we go. Here we go. This right here is the old Farmers Exchange. It's now a brewery and a restaurant. It's actually where we bought this blue Baler from. My dad did back in 1982, I believe. Oh, he didn't show up. Jeff, hey! There, we'll celebrate our parade.